What's up guys? So welcome to the Landmark community by Lennar Homes here in Henderson, Nevada. Now in this video, we are going to be touring the Diana floor plan. Diana floor plan is a 2-story, 2,800 square feet home with a large next-gen suite. So stick around. Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with Sqft Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So welcome to Landmark by Lennar here in Henderson, Nevada. Now, just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're here in the southeast side of Las Vegas. We're in an area called Black Mountain Ranch. Now, it's a secluded side here in Henderson. We're actually close to the mountains, but we're at the same time, we're not too far away from a bunch of places. On the way to, we have Hoover Dam pretty close by. We also have Boulder City that's close by, okay? So I'll have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer 3 different floor plans, the Elliot, Nora, and Diana. Now the Diana does include a next gen suite, but the base prices are gonna range from $546,990 all the way up to $603,990. Now guys, whenever you see base price, just know that upgrades and the lot premiums are not included, okay? The thing about with Lennar, the way they work here is everything that you see in the model homes are pretty much standard. The only upgrades that buyers will make are like flooring, cabinets, and countertop, okay? So that's why the actually out the door price isn't too far away from the base price. So if you're looking at the base price, I would add probably about 8% to that, and that'll be your out the door price, okay? Here they are also doing, they have spec homes, they have move-in ready homes, and just in case you want to you know, pick your flooring and the cabinets and stuff like that, they have options for you guys as well. As far as the HOA goes, the HOA here is going to be $59 a month. There is a SID assessment, guys, so you pay $683.44 per year, okay? Now, the amenities in this community include, there's going to be a dog park close by, you're going to have playgrounds, you're also going to have a splash pad, so great for kids. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the Diana floor plan. Now, the Diana floor plan is going to be the largest floor plan in the Landmark community. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 22,868 square feet, and it does include a next-gen suite, okay? The price as of today is $603,990. Everything, guys, that you see here is included: paver driveway, desert landscaping. Now again, with Lennar, the only upgrades that a buyer would do with Lennar Homes is going to be the flooring, the cabinets, the countertop, okay, and the backsplash. Okay, so the entry door is going to be, you're going to head towards the side of the house right over here. Look at this beautiful elevation though, stacked stone elevation. But yeah, this is also a next gen suite, guys. Again, what a next gen suite is, it's a separate living area from like the main house. So for example, next gen suites are going to be really great if you have a roommate, or if you're living with an in-law, or if you have guests come over, because the next gen suite has its own entry door. It's going to have its own living room, bedroom, bathroom, laundry room, washer and dryer, half kitchen. The only thing it doesn't include is going to be like an oven stovetop. So, you know, the only reason why somebody like living in next gen suite would actually need to come to the main house is if they're cooking something. But yeah, welcome in, guys. Okay, so 9-foot ceiling. You're gonna get 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and the second floor. Okay, immediately when you walk in, you got stairs that go to the second floor right there. Flooring. Okay, so flooring, the way flooring works, most buyers will upgrade the flooring. The standard flooring in these homes are going to be carpet all throughout the house, and then you'll have either like a tile or linoleum material going to be in the wet areas. So the wet areas is the kitchen, laundry room, bathroom. and the entryway. But Lennar, when they build spec homes, they're upgrading the flooring as well. So they're not leaving carpet on the first floor unless it's in the bedroom, then they'll leave it. Okay, so you have a really cozy living room here. All right, pre-wire ceiling fan right up there. Now you're gonna have pre-wire ceiling fans all throughout in every room. So that's great. That's not gonna be add any additional to the base price. You're gonna have all these lights that you see here. Those are included. Now the cabinets, I believe these cabinets are standard, guys. Okay, I'm just not too sure about the pulls, but the cabinet, I think the white cabinets are included. The countertop is optional right here. Okay, otherwise standard does include quartz, but it's a different tier of quartz. Okay, so if you want this type, that is optional. Refrigerator is included. So all the appliances that you see here, the oven, stovetop, microwave, refrigerator, dishwasher, those are included. The washer and dryer in the laundry room are not included. Okay. Also, we have this beautiful backsplash. Backsplash is optional. Okay, we got the stainless steel undermount sink, Moen faucet. All right, beautiful slider right here. There's gonna be an 8-foot slider. Forgot if I mentioned it, but you'll have 9-foot ceilings on both floors, first and second. So really good sized backyard. I'm not too sure what the average lot square footage is here in this community, but if you're interested, just reach out to me. I'll find out for you guys. So a couple of things you guys should know as well. Let me see here. So you're gonna have the knockdown texture, the flat edge cornering. Okay, in the garage are gonna come unfinished. You will have a water softener loop, and then you'll have a if you have an electric car like a Tesla, you'll have a pre-wire setup for the charger. It's gonna be your pantry, so large size pantry. And then I think it's nice that they do include this, the 5-panel doors. This is a little bit more modern than the 2-panel doors, but if you go to any other builder, they do charge extra for that. That's an upgrade. Okay, so this is gonna be the powder room down here. So this is gonna be the bathroom that the guests use. Okay, cultured marble countertop. Okay, door to your garage. Now, here, I want to show you guys the next gen suite. So there's going to be a door right here. Okay. Also the door is 6x7. There's going to be a door right here. So next gen suites, guys, this is going to be the bedroom. Okay. So there's going to be your bedroom area. I believe, wait, actually, is this yeah, it's going to be your bedroom, because this is going to be your walk-in closet. Right, you'll also have a stacked washer and dryer, which is included. That's really nice. And then here, you're gonna have your full bath. Okay, so you have your walk-in shower, your toilet, your sink. And then here, you're gonna have your little kitchen area with the living space, dining room area. Okay. So check that out. And this is gonna face like the front of the house. So yeah, definitely the next gen suite, it feels like it takes up most of the first floor for sure. But again, this house would be perfect. Next gen suites are perfect if you plan on like renting it out, you know, getting help with that mortgage, or like if you have a family member in town, or if you have a guest staying in town, it's just a great place to stay. It's like their own privacy. They have their own separate everything except for the stove oven. All right, and guys, I know I say this in all my videos, but if you are interested in a new build community, make sure you give me a call or shoot me a text. Let me know. You know, I definitely would be glad to go with you on your very first visit. if you're working with a realtor, at least let them know that you're interested in a new build community, okay? Don't just show up, go there on your own without them. The thing is, if you give the new build community your information, which is like your name, your number, your email, without your agent, they won't let you have representation down the road. You definitely want representation, guys, because the new build agents have a fiduciary relationship with the new build, okay? So realtors, we have that type of relationship with you. So that means we look after your best interests, we negotiate for you, we hold the builders accountable, we make sure you get all the max builder incentives, and the builders pay the realtor fees. So definitely a no-brainer, guys. Win-win scenario for you. Okay, so we'll head up to the second floor. This right here, these stair rails, these are included. Okay, anywhere else you see these in other model houses for other builders, this would be an upgrade. You'd have like a pony wall. So Lennar does have a lot of nice standard options, guys. Again, like this, the Diana floor plan priced at $603,990. I mean, a lot of the times the base price is really close to the final price. Like, you know, you pretty much would just have to add like the countertop upgrades and the flooring, and you know, that pretty much be it. So for here, I could see this out the door, you're looking at like $630 to $650. Okay, so we'll go over here. We'll look at it's gonna be the primary bedroom. Now again, 9-foot ceilings here on the second floor. Pre-wired the ceiling fan already there. So you're looking at 16 feet that way and about 16 by 15. So that's very spacious, guys. I mean, this is gonna be a king size bed right here. So welcome to the primary bath. So you have your 2 sinks. Now, the way you see these primary bathrooms, what you see is what you get, okay? The only thing that's not exactly what you get is like the flooring. You could upgrade, but the separate shower, the separate tub, so that comes included. Okay, they normally don't have any like upgrades to customize your shower. Well, at least not in this community, and most Lennar communities. So this is the walk-in closet. Okay, plenty of space. Matter of fact, I could hear my echo in here. Okay, so we have your toilet room. Now these accent walls, the paint color you're gonna get is you're gonna have Extra White by Sherwin-Williams. It'll be a flat finish all throughout the house. Kitchen, wet areas, you'll have like the semi-gloss. Okay, nice cozy loft. All right, so over here, we have your laundry room. Okay, once again, washer and dryer is not included. Okay, we do have your smart panel box right there. So we're here at one of the bedrooms. This seems pretty spacious as well, guys. So this is 14 by 12. So it's a pretty good size, I would say. So you got the transfer grills up there. Okay, so you have your full bath right here, dual sinks, cultured marble countertop. Okay, fiberglass shower tub. Nothing crazy over here. And then we'll have your other bedroom here. I would say this is about the same size. Seems pretty spacious in here as well. So, can't remember all the, you have the pre-wired ceiling fan in every room. But yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps up the Diana floor plan. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you guys are curious to know what the incentives are at the community, reach out to me, guys. Until then, I will catch you guys next video.